Everyone thinks operations is just about cutting costs. They're wrong. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient operations management is crucial for success. It's about more than just reducing costs. It's about increasing customer satisfaction, improving productivity, and gaining a competitive edge. The Certified Operation Management Professional Program is designed to equip you with the strategic and operational knowledge to manage business operations effectively. World Academy UK is one of the largest professional certification institutes in the world, having a presence in around 100 countries, offering Certified Operation Management Professional for all professionals across the globe. From operations strategy and forecasting to supply chain management and inventory optimization, you'll learn how to design and implement efficient operations, manage resources efficiently, and lead teams to achieve business objectives. Upon completion, you'll be equipped to take on strategic leadership roles in operations management and drive organizational success. Gain a competitive advantage and transform your organization with the Certified Operation Management Professional Program. Enroll now and start achieving operational excellence. For more information, visit us at www.worldacademy.uk.